Hi everyone, today we're on Module 2 of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 2, so turn to page 11 in your packets to follow along and take notes. All right, this is a Gizmos lesson, so you will be clicking on Gizmos on your VMath Live, and then you will go to round whole numbers or number line. Okay, eventually, let's do the little warm-up first, and then you can go and log in and do that. So it says label each point shown on the number line. So here we have 100, 105, 110. So these are going up by ones. So 100, 101, 102, because then 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. This is 111, 112, 113, 114. 115, 116, 117, then 118, 119, 120. So now all those points are labeled. All right, when you are on your Gizmos, it says your page is going to look like this. It says click on the arrows to round to the nearest 100. Click on the right arrow once to show 100 to 200. So when you have this little arrow right here, it's a little hard to see. I'll zoom in so you can see it more. But you can see that now the number line, once you click on it, once to the right, now it's between 100 and 200. Then it says drag the red dot to graph 147 on the number line. So then you have the red dot, you drag it to 147, which is right there. And then it says click on the circle for hill. So you've done this before in some of the older lessons. You'll click hill. And then when it makes that hill, you will see that when it rounds to the nearest 100, 147 is going to round to 100. It's going to go this way down the hill. Okay, it's going to round to 100. Then they just want you to start over. It says click on the circle for flat. Drag the green dot to 178, so you'll do that. Round it, clicking hill, and I'll let you do that so you know what that goes to. All you have to do is follow these directions. Then you click flat, and then you do the blue dot. Same thing, click hill, see where it rounds. And since 150 for blue is the midpoint, you have to click nudge midpoint, and it'll go to either 100 or 200. All right, so you're going to complete pages 11 and 12 using the Gizmos on your own. So make sure that you click on Gizmos from VMath homepage. Good luck.